I've finally managed to get my hands on a Threadripper system, which in this video you just see the simple installation of the CPU, which in this case was a 1920X, which the way that it's built, it's pretty darn epic. Considering a few moments before I was tinkering with an old E8400 Socket 775 processor, and it was a lightweight in comparison to this. The physical size of it seems to be at least, I'd say, 4 to 6 times larger in mass, and definitely 4 to 6 times heavier in weight. And as you can see in the video here, you've got to take out the slider to then slide in the processor itself, which the size of it reminds me of an old key card out of a video game. The size of it's just, yeah, it's like this is your ticket to go. You may pass. Overall, I found the installation of it quite straightforward. To physically mount it into the socket, follow the steps. One thing I didn't do in here correctly was I didn't push down the chip far enough, which you'll see in a minute. I had to tinker with that a little bit. And the other dilemma that I had was torquing down the lock-in screws, how they have to go in a certain pattern. That's straightforward. But with this I did have some drama getting the bottom two to screw in, which I have heard with that there is some dilemma with the Foxconn mechanisms with the thread on the screws themselves. But overall this wasn't an issue. Took an extra 30 seconds to do, if that, just to make sure it's all torqued down correctly. But overall, yeah, pretty darn exciting.